The Green Bike USA GB1 folding electric bike is perfect for adults and anyone who wants a reliable and convenient bike. This powerful folding bike has a 500-watt brushless DC motor sitting inside the rear wheel, sending torque directly to the ground for fast acceleration. The bike has a 10-amp-hour power pack consisting of fast-charging lithium-ion batteries with a single charge range of 50 miles. The Green Bike GB1 features a thumb throttle and a 9-level pedal assist. Choose the pedal assist to increase the bike range, or use the throttle to travel and speed up effortlessly on the road. The bike also has a 6-speed Shimano Acera rear derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. This model comes with Kenda fat tires. The equipped 4-inch fat tires give it excellent grip and comfort. It rides well on the road and can travel over dirt or sand. It features a high-quality bike frame crafted from rust-proof 6061 aluminum that is lightweight and does not suffer rust problems. The bike has a maximum weight capacity of 280 pounds, so it is a durable and solid ride. This high-performance bike has a frame that folds into a compact package so you can store it in the trunk of your car or in the corner of your apartment. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone.
Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.